Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. So we are at the second video of Cypress Automation, where in our first video we have seen what is Cypress, why Cypress, and how it is different from other technologies and some limitations of Cypress. So now in this video we are going to see the complete installation and setup of Cypress software in your PC. So now before installation, Cypress will be supported in the following OS, that is Mac OS 10.9 and above, and Linux Ubuntu, and in Windows version 7 and above. So we can install Cypress in two ways, that is either by installing Node.js and npm or by direct download. So we are going to see both the steps here in this video, so let's dive in. So you can follow this step-by-step tutorial to install Cypress in your desktop. Also, you can find step-by-step instructions in this blog, and I have given the link in description. So first we are going to see how we are going to install Cypress using Node.js. So to install it via npm, you first need to have Node.js installed in your system. To download and install Node.js, you can directly download it from the Node.js official site, where according to the OS and the version, you can pick and download the software and install it in your PC. So I am going to show the demo of Cypress installation in Windows 64-bit PC. So I'm downloading that version. So simply click next and accept the license to install this Node.js into your PC. If Node.js is successfully installed, you can see Node.js command prompt appear in your Windows. Also, you can see Node.js folder has been created under your program files folder. Which means your Node.js is now installed successfully. Now that we have installed Node.js successfully in our PC, the next step is to set the environment variable. To set environment variable, first copy the path where you have Node.js has been installed and click on this PC properties and go to advanced system setting. In that, select environment variable. You will see system variables and environment variables section. Click on new and in variable name type node underscore home, and in variable value paste the path you have copied where your Node.js has been installed. This step is actually enough, but it is safer to update your environment path as well. Under environment variable section, click on path. In that list, add a path as well and click OK. Now we have set our environment variable for Node.js. So now we have set our environment variable. The next step is to create package.json. Before creating package.json, you need a workspace. So in any folder, create a folder for your workspace and name it something you like. And inside that folder, we are going to create our package.json. So from here, open command prompt. Once you open command prompt, type in the command npm init to initialize Cypress in that folder. So once you type in the command, you will be asked to enter a package name. You can enter any name as you like. So once you hit enter, you will be asked to enter the required details. These details are optional. You can either enter them or ignore them simply. So I'm just leaving the details as of now. And in author section alone, I'm just entering coders camp. And finally, after everything, you can see the JSON formatted message. So this will be the thing which is present in your package.json file. So this is nothing but similar to Maven in Selenium, where you can have all your repositories stored. So once it is done, you can see a package.json created in the folder you have created, and the same message as in the command prompt has been entered here. If you type in dir command, you can see the package created and the time you have created the package and the details of the file created in the folder. This package.json helps you to maintain the node modules, which is very similar to Maven and Selenium. So we have now created package.json. So finally, the next step is to install Cypress. So you can use the following commands to install Cypress from your command prompt. So you can use npm install cypress save dev, where it will save all your node modules in your package.json. So you can use this command for the first time when you're installing Cypress. If you are shifting the project and installing in some other folder, you don't need to have your save dev because your package.json will already save your node module. So if your npm version is greater than 5.2, then you can use npm cypress install. So I have tried both the commands, but it showed that Cypress is installed, but it did not work for me well. So I had to use a force install so that it is successful for me. You can use either of them, whichever works for you. So I'm going to use the command npx cypress install hyphen hyphen force to force install the software. It took me more time than actually what you're watching. So once the software is installed, you can verify whether it is installed or not by using npx cypress version. So when you see the version number, you can confirm that the software is installed. So now we have installed our Cypress software. So now it's time to open the software. So you can use the command npx cypress open or npm cypress open, either of them, to open your Cypress into your desktop. So once your Cypress software is open, the UI is going to look something like this. So you will see the default example projects already has been displayed in the UI. So we have now successfully installed Cypress and opened the Cypress UI using npm. You can also download directly instead of using npm the Cypress from its official site. So you can find the link in my blog. So here if you go, the direct download link is there. If you click, a software will be directly downloaded to your downloads folder. So if you go to download, you can see a Cypress zip file. If you unzip this, it is going to have a Cypress folder. Inside that, you will have an application Cypress. So if you double click and open, you will be seeing the same UI we have opened via command prompt. So here in the site itself, they recommend to download and install it via npm, as recording runs to the dashboard is not possible when you download it directly from the site. So it's better and recommended to download it via npm. So we are going to see all these example files and about the UI in our next video. So today so far we have covered how to install and set up Cypress in your system. So keep waiting for the other videos to explore more on testing in Cypress. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.